Have you ever wondered how a sewing machine stitch is actually made? There is a way to kind of see firsthand on your machine if you take off the bobbin case door cover, and if you bring up your bobbin thread so you have both the threads in your hand, when you turn the hand wheel towards you, you can watch the needle go down, and there is a hook that brings the top thread and links it around the bobbin. So see that little thread coming across the top of the bobbin? And then here we are, there's our stitch. You can see the link between those two threads because I took one stitch. So when you have everything nice and clean, you are realizing that your needle thread, as the needle goes down, wraps completely around the bobbin. So that's why when your machine gets linty, that sometimes you get some skip stitches because that thread has to travel through all that lint. So make sure you click on our cleaning video right up here where that eye is, so you can make sure you're always keeping your machine super clean. The other thing that I often reference is, you know, when we bring our thread up through our bobbin hole, when we wind a bobbin, is make sure that you cut that little tail off, because you did see that every time you take a stitch, the thread crosses over the top of the bobbin, and if there's anything in the way, that's gonna not be ideal for every time. Same thing too, if you ever get skip stitches, sometimes the needle, if the needle's bent a little to the side, then that part that comes and catches that thread, that kind of hooks it for the jump rope of the stitch, it misses it. And so that's another reason why you need a new needle and clean the machine at all times.